How to fix Spectrum modem flashing blue and white. So when your Spectrum modem's online light is flashing blue and white, it's trying to establish an internet connection, but isn't actually getting any signal. So here's what that means and how to fix it. So pretty much the quick meaning, flashing blue plus white attempted to connect. This phase normally lasts 2 to 5 minutes, sometimes up to 20 minutes. If it takes longer, it indicates no signal or a weak signal from the ISP. So step-by-step fix guide so you can check for local outages. So use my Spectrum app or website to see if there are outages or maintenance in your area. So if there's an outage, you can just pretty much wait for it to resolve. Your modem should say solid blue once service returns. There's also the power cycle option. You can unplug your power or coax cables, wait 60 seconds and plug them back. Let it reboot fully, up to 2 to 5 minutes, typical up to 20 minutes at most. Go ahead and see if that works. Then the next is inspect and reset your coax cable. So ensure the cable is tight and undamaged. If available, try a different outlet and replace the cable entirely if it looks somewhat worn. You can still try these other steps, of course, which is a soft reset via the app. In your app, go to the Services, Internet, and Troubleshooting. Then select Restart Equipment. Choose that specific modem. The other option is to factory reset the modem. You can use a paper clip. You can find some sort of reset button. It should be a little hole around the modem. Then press the button for a few seconds and wait for 30 seconds until power flashes. Wait for the modem to reinitialize. You can also check power outlet and overheating, so plug the modem into a different stable outlet and ensure it's not overheating. Move to a well-ventilated area and avoid clutter. There's also firmware or software updates. Spectrum pushes updates automatically, but if you're still stuck after waiting, ask support to check your modem's firmware status. And speaking of support, you can also go ahead and try that. So if none of the above works, you can contact them. Cable infrastructure or modem hardware may need repair or replacement. But anyways, hopefully one of these methods or steps can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.